Hello and greetings, it's JP1970. Welcome back to another video. This one's a little bit different. I'm up in Idaho, and we are going to be going to a little attraction up here called the Shoshone Falls. And these are something of a historic landmark up here. I don't have a whole lot of information as yet, but what I understand is this is kind of like a mini Niagara Falls waterfall that a lot of people check out. Let's see. I got my nav system going here. I don't know. I'm not sure whether to trust this thing or not, but I plugged it in, and so we'll see how we do. So I got my buddies Jamie and Jeff behind me. 2 Harleys and a Honda out for a ride today. And we are looking for Falls Avenue East, which is coming up in about 0.5 miles. So I think it's probably that stoplight up there. So we are roughly 9 minutes away from the Shoshone Falls. Yeah, this is cool up here. So it's about 150 miles, give or take, from Elko County, where I live, where I currently reside. And when I say it, I mean Idaho. Actually, Twin Falls, Idaho is where we find ourselves today. And it's always cool to come up here. So I guess being in California recently kind of gave me an interest. Yeah, here we go. An interest in the big city. So I had to get up here with my buddies. So we're going to turn left here on Falls Avenue East. It is a hot son of a gun. It's saying 87, but it feels more like 97. Shoshone Falls, 2 miles ahead. Yeah, I've been up here many times and never gone to Shoshone Falls, so I don't have any good reason for it. We'll see. Here we are in beginning of August. Sorry, beginning of August. We'll see if there's even any water cranking through there. Maybe, maybe not. So in about 1.6 miles, we'll be turning left on North 3300 East. 1 mile ahead. Yeah, see how this is very much a, it looks very much like a farming type community. And it's so green. Look at all these trees. That's how you know you're not in Nevada. We don't have all these trees down in Nevada. Yeah, so what you'll find is all this runs along the Snake River, which kind of cuts through Idaho up here. Shoshone Falls. Oh, still 2 miles. Beautiful scenery. I'm gonna take this back down here. It lets in a lot more wind, but we get a better view. And there's the Snake River out there. What do we got here?
Ticket booth.
Okay, so here we are at the entrance. Welcome to Shoshone Falls. Oh, thank you. All right, it's supposed to be $5 a vehicle to get in here. And my buddy Jeff just sweet talked the gal and said, $5 for everybody? Or $5 each? Oh, there they are. Tell me that's not. Watch that be them. Okay. So he sweet talked the gal and she let us all in for $5 for all of us. Yeah, this is pretty cool down here. I mean, literally. It's cooler. Temperature's dropping 1 whole degree. Oh, and here they are. Here they are. Behold. Behold. Welcome to Shoshone Falls. Down there, the Snake River. Ooh, scenic overlook. Look at this place. You know, you just never know until you know. Am I right? Okay, that was not... Oh, whoa, look at that. There's some water raging down there, people. Let's see if we can go find a spot together here. Hey now, good eye. Oh, I do think so. Hold on to your butts, everybody. The Shoshone Falls Park. Take a look. There they are. And apparently, there they are further up. Over there, there's some falls. Alright, I'm gonna drop down into this outlook here. Look at that. See, there's a sign over here with some more information, maybe. You are here, Shoshone Falls Park. So this is the Snake River. This is Evel Knievel's jump site. I don't think he made that, did he? Came close. Okay, so there's the Snake River down there. Behold, Shoshone Falls. And I guess ordinarily over here on this side, over on our right, those usually when the water's higher and cranking more. There's a lot of water that comes pumping down through there. So many beautiful things to see in this world. And people just want to sit around and complain about stuff. Why? Look at all this beauty. Alright, this was just a quick video. I just wanted to show you the Shoshone Falls. Thanks for checking it out. I'll see you in the next one. Take care now. Bye-bye. Okay, here's a little bonus footage. This is of, let's see, we're going back, okay. There's a little campground here we're going to look at real quick. Here we go. I see the turn. I see the turn. There's more water over there. Draining to the Snake River. Alright, here we go. Another waterfall hiding over there. They're just everywhere. No dogs allowed. Well, what kind of campground is this? Not my kind of campground, I can tell you that. Okay, here we go. We are... This is up above the falls. Let's see what we got. Wow, I never, I've been to Idaho, Twin Falls, Idaho, several times and didn't realize all this was up here. This is pretty cool. So if you're ever in Twin Falls, Idaho, don't miss the Shoshone Falls. Well, judging from all the cars, there's a lot of people up here, so let's see what's over here. Anything? Looks like some little trails and stuff. Oh, there's a lake. That must be the Dirks Lake. Alright, well, thanks for continuing if you're still with me. This is just a little bonus footage over here at the Shoshone Falls. It's about 5 miles outside of Twin, I'd say, give or take a little bit, but definitely worth checking out if you're here. Alright, once again, this has been JP1970. Thanks for checking out this video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, everybody. Ride safe.